Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be doing brown stew chicken, which is a lovely slow cooked chicken dish with a little bit of spice, soy sauce and brown sugar. So here we go. So starting with our ingredients, we have some chicken legs which have been skinned and they've also been separated between the thigh and the drumstick. We also have some scotch bonnet, some allspice or pimento, some tomato paste, some spring onion, some bay leaves, some brown sugar, some ginger, some garlic, some thyme, some fresh tomatoes, some soy sauce, some browning, and carrots and potatoes. So firstly we're going to start off by just washing the meat as always with some lemon juice and water, and then we're going to prep the ingredients for it to marinate in. So just going to prepare the spring onion, just chop that up. Also crush the garlic and grate the ginger, and we're going to add those to the chicken along with the thyme, the soy sauce and some black pepper. We're going to leave this to marinate for about an hour at least, or overnight obviously is always better, and then we're going to get it ready to go into the pan. So whilst the chicken's marinating, I'm just going to prepare the other remaining ingredients. So the carrots and the potatoes, just need to peel them and roughly chop them. They don't have to be anything special. And we're going to throw them in whilst the chicken is cooking. So to start this off, what makes it brown stew is because it has the brownness from the burnt sugar, and that's what we want to start with first. So I've just heated up some oil in the pan. I'm going to add the dark brown sugar, and we're just going to let it bubble until it caramel. You don't want it to burn because that will make it taste bitter, but you're looking for it to start to separate from the oil and bubble by itself. That's when you know it's ready. So once the sugar started to bubble like this, we're going to add the chicken in, and you want to allow the chicken to brown in as much of this sugar as possible. So just keep turning it all over, and once it's browned all over, we can start adding some other ingredients. So now that this is browned all over, making sure the heat is on medium, not too high, because we don't want it to burn. Just going to allow the chicken to sweat off a little by itself. So all of the juice and the waters that are in the chicken are actually going to release into the pan, and then we can add some other things. Right, so this is sweated off a bit. I've just added some water to the bowl that the chicken was marinating in, because we want to get all of the flavour out of that bowl and pop it back onto the chicken. And then I'm also going to add the remaining ingredients of the tomato, the allspice, the tomato paste, the bay leaves, and then just before it's ready to cook, we will add the potatoes and the carrots. Alright, so I've just checked this again and it's almost done, so we're just going to add the potatoes and carrots now. So maybe another further 10 minutes and this will be ready to be eaten. Alright, so this looks like it's ready to go now. The chicken's nice and tender, it's slipping off the bone easily, so that's a telltale sign that it's ready to go, and the carrots and potatoes are cooked. The sauce is reduced down a little as well, so it's got a little bit of a nice thickness to it, so it's ready to be served. So you can have this with lots of things. Rice and peas, of course, coleslaw, that's always a nice combo, but also in St. Lucia, this went really well with macaroni pie and green fig salad, which I will be linking above. So you can try them with any of those recipes that I've suggested and have a go for yourself. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you for tuning in again. If you've enjoyed these recipes, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be the first to know when I upload new videos each week. Other than that, stay safe, peace and love.